Yeah.
Invincible.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday, election week. Hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week. Should be an interesting week to be sure. Let me just do that, and then we will start looking at the markets. Looks like we had a rise up and then a little bit of choppiness. Looks like our low dipped down to 57.40 on ES, high 76. That's a 36-point range, and Q dipped all the way down to 0.70. Popped all the way up to 248 at 170 points in range, I believe. Sounds right. Kappa had a nice night, pulled back. Looks like, 200 ticks in range. Ultra bombed. Had a gap up. It's not a contract roll, and that's quite the gap. It's about a point and a half in range there. Gold. Messy looking chart right there. Lots of stuff on it. About 15 points in range. Crude oil rising up. It must have had a contract roll. 150 ticks in range. And natty gas. Natty gas. Being all wonky over there. Bitcoin sitting at about just under 69,000. And we see NQ rising up here. So get ready to trade the Phidias 10K challenge. Sorry about that 240 contracts thing. See a beautiful bounce there on the 5-minute. Both of these were, obviously same chart, different time frame. Let's see, is my Phidias logged in, ready to go? It is. I wasn't paying attention either. Morning, Crypticon. How are you? You joining us for the natural gas challenge? I am good as well. I need to start my Bulenox Ninja Trader to bring up Bulenox. Awesome. Remember to post your trades on the Discord. When you're done for the day on natural gas. Yeah, if you can show your trades too, like a trade log, that'll be good. Just so make sure no one's sneaking in NQ trade or something here and there, and that you're only using one contract. But that's a big hassle. I'll just trust people. Don't worry about it. You use Ninja, right, Crypt? Yeah, Hassan. Yeah, if you're using Ninja, you want the like trade performance screen, I believe. A beautiful rise up. It dipped down to 101 and it's now up to 173. It's did that another half an hour. See, we'll have no RJ today. We'll have no John DeFore today. I hear some clicking in my background. It must be a little bit windy out, and my back door shakes, and it can be picked up by the mic at times. I wouldn't doubt that. Kind of hanging out here at 175. Let's take a look at this. I need a fair chart. Kind of heading up toward balance. Morning, G-Man. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Purple candle, but right into that 200 EMA there. So I didn't grab it. Those of you that missed it over the weekend, I did my posted up a video that became my most viewed ever about Sage being fired at Fast Track Trading. Almost 3,500 views. Trickling down here. News this morning. I don't think we have any news this morning. I don't know if there's anything going on tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. This morning, no. Oh, something called a Euro group meeting. I don't know what that is, but U.S. factory orders coming in as we're going off the air. That purple candle worked for 9 points so far. Let's make that bigger. How can I help, Crypt? It's still falling. Not afraid of falling. Uh, was it an? Did you buy the eval and pass it, or did you buy the straight to funded? Wow, look at this push down. Well, it really depends on how much you want to make per day, Crypt. I mean, here's the thing. If you make, let's say you make $1,000 today, then in order to get a payout, hold on, I need to look. Not exactly 100% sure about their payout rules. Is that what it is? Hold on. Give me 1 second. They're one of the few I don't have memorized. This is for 35 minimum trading. You need at least 10 trading days, uh, 5 or more days. The trading man must have a profit greater than $100. So, wait, it's good. Okay, so you need to make $100 a day at least, and then 35% consistency rule. Right, you need to do 10 total trading days, 5 of which must be $100 or more. And let's say you have $1,000 in profit, then no single day can be higher than 350. But you also need to get, yeah, you reach and maintain at least $100 in profit over the trailing max drawdown limit. So you need to get to $2,100 before you can cash out anything, and that must be maintained until the payout request is approved. So you should shoot for at least 3 or 4K crypt. Legends is definitely not scammy. Hey, MedX, the guy actually has his own brokerage that owns Legends. GFF Brokers. I've talked to him personally. Flexi does pay out, but they have very strict rules. And right now, Flexi has no path to live that I'm aware of. I'm checking into that, but by the way, we're along here. Um, so yeah, I'm not promoting Flexi much anymore. But I'm on the Phidias swing account here. I'm sorry, the Phidias 10K challenge. So you're seeing me sling size that I normally wouldn't sling. Lots of companies don't flaunt their payouts though. MedX, you know, I, uh, Earn a Trade really doesn't. Um, a bunch don't. There's a nice rise up here. Hits that 20 and 9 EMA though. So we're just going to get out there. I'm happy with that trade. Let me look at what that trade was that I'm happy with. Got in at 152, out at 156. So about 4 points on 5 contracts. I'm going to probably say I should have stayed in because you can see it's still rising. Well, I'm checking on that, Hassan, about with Flexi. They told William A., one of the people here, like a month ago they didn't, and then they told him like a week ago they did. So I'm having Greg Trades YM. He's really good at contacting customer service and asking the right questions. He's going to start checking on, he's going to check with them, the Trading Pit, Profit Trade, and somebody else I was having him check on because I'm already working. I'm going to be working on a video explaining changes we're going to be going through here at MightyOxTrading. But we're going to start putting warning labels and other types of things on the various ads if I decide to promote them, like this. Hold on. For new firms, if a new firm that's been not proven yet, you'll see this new firm alert. And then for firms that do have a guaranteed path to live, you'll see this. And then we're going to put on, I'm going to be making up a warning for sim only firms and such. And I so regret getting out of that trade. Hassan, why did you tell me to get out of that trade? So yeah, that's gonna be that's a video I'm working on. Gonna be announcing those changes coming soon. I I start getting antsy if it starts having trouble getting through it on the 9 EMA, and it was struggling there. You could see it hung there for a full minute. That's why. But yeah, I shouldn't have. I should have just moved my stop break even after this first candle and then just let it fly. Gotta know when to hold 'em. Know when to hold 'em. But yeah, Legends I can say is legit. I've talked to the guy on Zoom. He owns a brokerage. You can even check out his brokerage, GFF Brokers. And he's not going to risk the reputation of his brokerage to be scammy on a prop firm. Does stop at the 200 EMA and pulls back though. Morning, Platt. How are you? Fuck yeah. Good. Glad to hear that. NG bottom right doesn't have much space. Kind of hanging on the EMAs here. Wonder how the market's going to be tomorrow. I thought about live streaming tomorrow evening, but two reasons why I decided pretty much not to do it. Number one, there's a good chance we're not going to know the winner of the election tomorrow night anyway. And number two, I was afraid of the whole stream breaking down into politics. You already have the owner of Fast Track Trading banning anyone who says they voted for a particular party. Hey, ESNQ, welcome. And not to say MedX, welcome as well. I think you're new as well. Both of you new? Yeah, because people listen to me, right? Long again off that blue candle. My goal is 166. That's the 200 EMA. Well, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. I always like to ask questions of new people, but I think you've already answered one with your name. And then one of the questions is, what assets do you trade? So I'm guessing ES and Q. And do you trade with the prop firms or with your own money? And how long have you been trading? But you don't feel the need to answer any of them. You can just tell me to shut up. Many people do. San tells me to shut up all the time. Trading the Phidias 10K challenge, which is why you see me trading 5 contracts at a time. Normally, I trade 1 contract at a time. Nice. Okay, I wasn't sure. The name kind of. I've been seeing a lot of new names lately, so I apologize if you've been here before and I forgot you. That's I'm old. I still don't understand it. Do you have his username, Crypt? Or I'm sorry, his. Yeah, I asked you to send me his like his YouTube URL. What would you know? I know he probably doesn't have a channel, but everybody still has a URL, even if they don't have a channel. And I can add him as an approved user and see if that works. This isn't looking good right now. This is choppy on these EMAs. Maybe? I don't know. I haven't heard of that, but Google's weird at times, so hey, it's possible. Another blue candle here. I do not at this point. Maybe at some point, but I don't at this point yet. I'm gonna move my stop up to underneath that new blue candle that formed. I can get it there. There we go. You know what? Let's try that. There we go. That's better view of me getting stopped out. Oh, it didn't. It got within one tick of my stop there. That stopped me out. All right, back to the drawing board. Oh, that stops me out, and then look at that blue, big blue candle up. Gonna wait for it to stop chopping. Oh crap! I still got a limit order there. Oh, oh, oh! Look at that. So when it went to my target, I moved my stop up, and then it hit it, and then went. That's frustrating, but that's okay. We're in again. Going for me there. Back down to my entry, and now I'm red. Yay! Back up. Hey, Borneo is technically daylight savings yesterday. Yes. So no. I mean, I have accounts with FTT, but I'm no longer trading them. He probably wouldn't pay me even if they got payouts caught up because he's blocked me on Twitter. FTT's on my blacklist now. I have funded accounts with Topstep and Apex, and I have evaluation of MyFundedFutures. I have this challenge account with Phidias, and I have an account with Bulenox. Doesn't want to get above 170 here. View up. I don't have that on. Trying to break on through to the other side. Uh, my funded futures has the new milestone plans that are straight to funded. My top five straight to funded is my funded futures, Tradeify, TicktickTrader, and Perdia. Then I'll have to consider what number five is. We're up to 172 here. And at 167, kind of just want to take it off for 5 points. So I should have done. Yeah, I'm going to take it off there. I just don't like the way it's rubbing that band. So that was a good win, though. Look at VWAP. Yep, there's VWAP sitting there. VWAP, VWAP. All right, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button for me. Uh, I depends on the day. I trade the 3 hours here on the stream, and then I might look at charts here and there throughout the day while I'm doing other stuff. I'm often doing other stuff like updating the sheets, the comparison sheets for the Discord, or making a video or other stuff. So I don't have a lot of time to trade, but sometimes I'll take an hour and look at the charts and see what I can find. The goal is eventually to get organized to trade, a majority of the day. But right now I don't have that organization. But it did pull back to the 200 EMA, back up, trying to pop back up. Uh, Not really. Um, Full transparency, most of my income right now comes from affiliate income and not trading income. But I'm working on changing that. I should have taken the blue candle. Let that pop up there. It's our high a day. 247, about 70 points away. The goal of my channel when I started it, and still is the goal of my channel, is to be real in the struggles of trading. I have struggled mightily with the mental aspect of trading. I know how to trade. I just, like, you've seen me get out of trades too early already today, and holding and not trusting my setups, and then going in on setups that don't work because I'm upset that I didn't, all that. So you're never going to see me be like some of the other YouTubers that are posting up $20,000 days and things like that. I've always tried to be real and show the struggles of trading. And I hope one day that, those struggles mostly go away. But I don't hide them. And I never, I always make sure people realize that they should not be trying to copy what I'm doing. Although I believe in my strategy that I'm using 100%, but you know, I'm not sitting here trying to front like I can make $10,000 a day. One day I hope to, and I'm getting closer to that. I do have 6 funded accounts, had 7, down 6. I mean, if you want to count the fast track trading accounts that I no longer trade, I would have 3 more funded accounts. Cosby, no holiday today, but tomorrow's the election, so things might be muted a little bit today. Morning, Speed Racer. Oh, quick whip down there. Thought about taking that purple, decided not to, and I regret that now. That was the weekend, Speed Racer. Nice job, Crypt. Uh, Let me bring up Top Step X and look. Wait, is it Top Step X costs or which platform? Mine is showing my candlesticks just fine. But that might be a setting. Give me a second. Yeah, I think I got it here. Cuss. In chart settings, data modification session, extended trading hours, regular trading hours. Make sure that's set on extended trading hours. Popping up. The market is open. I mean, the actual open is 45 minutes from now, but I mean, we're in extended trading hours. Market trades 23 hours a day, so you know, say it's not open isn't correct. Coming up to all the lines, the 20, and the 200 are all pretty much at the same spot right now. And bounces off the 200. Strong move back down. Just sitting here. I should have. Purple candles kind of. It's a good idea. Crept. Eggs are an important part of a nutritious breakfast. About 10 minutes to the top of the hour, 40 minutes till the bell. I should have taken, say, both of those purple candles I didn't trust for some reason, and I should have taken them both. Someone smack me. Besides Hassan, because I know he'll actually do it. Eh? Bounce back up here, possibly? Maybe not. Anyone else taking any trades this morning yet? Nice, Chris. Hey, Jay, how you doing? Still falling. We were down at 101. It's about a little over an hour ago. It's back down to 140 now. That's an interesting looking candle. Took the long off the interesting looking candle. Just looking for the 9, which is at 151. was. Now I want to go for more. I'm probably being greedy. And I was. Look at that. I told myself take it off at the 9. I didn't. Now I'll put a target there. Also going to move the stop up to underneath that candle. I think it's going to come down and get me. Hang on. Come on, baby. Nine's now at 150.50. Doing good, Jay. Thank you. Uh, so my greediness may have cost me this trade. Let's see. Oh no, here it comes. Come on back up, baby. Come on. Nope. Told myself to target the 9. It gave me that chance. Let's see if it comes back up for me. Another blue. Nope. Sniffs that 9 again. The 9's moved down to 148. So I could put the target there, and then I'm only going to have a 2-point trade. Uh, which, of course, would be better than a little whippy. I'm going to take it off. It was a green trade, but barely. Now it's going to burst. Watch this. Yeah. Ooh, whoosh. Glad I got out when I did. Down to 136. Will candle bounce off the band maybe here? Maybe. We'll see. Nope. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Bouncing. I don't know. This could be a red day, guys. Not for me, I mean for the market. Hopefully not a red day for me. Sitting at 130, trying to pop up, but not really getting momentum. Watching it. It's struggling with the 9 again. Back down to one that's 27. Everyone got really quiet. How's everyone doing? 23 minutes till the bell. Good job, Crip. Yeah, that's a nice pop on NG over there. I see it. Blue candle. Not sure we found the base yet. Ace of base. Speaking of ace, he should soon be here. Yep, back down, purple candle. Down to 123. I don't know where we're going. How live where we've been. I think Hassan fell asleep. Hey, MOTW. Morning, Ace. How's the weekend? Oh, awesome. Saw Barkley with that amazing play. First snow of the season's always fun. It's the 20th snow of the season that starts getting tiring. Oh yeah, I agree. No, in all seriousness, I love snow. I love the beauty of it. I've always said that for me, the perfect place to live for me would be someplace where it snows 6 months out of the year, like lots of snow. I love just staring out the window and watching snow come down, drinking a cup of hot chocolate. But that said, I understand people that get upset about it, that have to go out in it and all that, drive in it. I hated driving in snow. Absolutely hated driving in snow. Of course, I had a 1977 Chevy Monte Carlo, real wheel drive. I mean, yeah, real rear wheel drive. I have a funny story about snow. Yeah, I used to work in a McDonald's, and I live far away from. I mean, I lived close to it when I got the job there, and I really liked it there. So when I moved away, I moved like 12 miles away. Still worked there, and we had this pretty good snowstorm, and I hated driving in it. But I went to work that day, had no problems the entire way, and I turn into the parking lot. They have this big parking lot for trucks, so I go to turn into that parking lot, and somehow I lose control, and I end up with my car on a 45-degree angle on a snowbank. And they're revving the engine, can't go either direction. Five of the employees of McDonald's come out to push and shovel me out. Car was fine, everything was fine. I mean, that car was a tank, but Yeah, sitting at a 45-degree angle, you're not even sure what you want to do. You can't really open the door. And just like, but they came rushing out to shovel me out, push me out. Possible blue candle here. See if it gives it to me. Doesn't look like it. Pulling away. 12 miles, no problem. Last few feet up on the snowbank. Popping back up here a little bit. Got back down to 115. Heading up. Nice pop up here. Didn't give me the blue, but it did work. Gold coming down. Crude's coming down. Natural gas heading up. Up. Quick reversal. 5 minutes till the bell. Oh, nice ace. Very nice. Struggling to get lower there, I noticed, on both NQ and ES. Dow's dropping hard. Bang, bang, bang. Blue candle, possibly. Getting a little close to the bell, though. No RJ today, no John DeFore today. The Canadians have abandoned us. Yeah, it's a good idea, Crypt. Thought you said you were walking away and getting eggs. I could gold falling. Whoosh. Oh, you need to eat slower. Better for digestion. MOTW, I'm thinking I actually have like 5 accounts to give away at this point. I think I'm going to do one on Discord and one by Gleam, the contest software I use. So with Discord, you'll just need to hit a button. With the Gleam, you'll need to do whatever actions I decide, like retweet a tweet and put your left foot in, put your left foot out, do the hokey pokey and turn yourself about. I think I got 2 150s and 350Ks to give away. Oh, whoosh. Are you still in, Ace? Oh, darn. We're heading toward a low day here, I believe. Yeah, low is on that gap down that first candle down to 0.70. We just hit 0.89 and fallen. I figured that, Ace. I thought I'll ask just in case. Yeah, I took the sleep setup overnight. Went long here, 5 contracts. It perhaps should have got out right away. It hit 108, which would have been a 7-point win. Back down to my entry. Again, kind of sniffed that 9 and turned around, and I wasn't moving fast enough to place my target. So it comes back up. Again, I'm trading the Phidias contest account or 10K challenge account. That's why you're seeing me slinging 5 contracts. Oh, there we go. Target hit. Nice. That was 101.75 to 107.75, so a 6-point win there. Thank you, Ace. And yes, 2 minutes to go. I wanted to be out of that trade anyway before the open, so look at it run. We ready? Are we ready? Rising up. Rising up. Wow, look at that go. Boom. Oh, now you're gonna get me singing "Eye of the Tiger." Ooh. Whoosh. Back under 20. Yeah, 20100. I hate saying 2100 because that sounds like 2100. If we fell 90%, I think we'll all be screaming. We'll hit a circuit breaker before then. Yeah, a little bit wild, crazy here. It's a wild, crazy day. Natural gas is blowing up. Wish I'd taken that long for the natural gas challenge on the Discord. Yes, yes, I did. You missed the conversation yesterday on the Discord about natural gas and lactose intolerance. Big push down here on NQ. Yes, following. Dow's unsure what it wants to do right now. Gold still falling. New low day. We're breaking down. First support on the trigger point is at, I can't see it, 20.023. We're into the B12, or whatever he calls that. Is that called? 12B, not B12. See if we bounce. Ooh, I kind of like that green candle forming. Be dangerous. Still got 30 seconds on it. We got down to 0.41. It's not much of a bounce candle there now, though. Matter of fact, it just turned red. We're burning red. Anyone else sad that the Taylor Swift Ears tour is almost done? Just me? Okay. That's going to shave off way more than 26 just by entering in. Oops. Uh, yeah, my motorway just broke. Dang it. Still falling. There's 20013. Let's see if Quant Tower, not MotoWave, Quant Tower. Why did I say MotoWave? I don't ever use MotoWave. Quant Tower. I'm probably going to miss an entry here. Oh, back up. Okay, we're back. Trying to pop up. What's our ATR right now? Can't see it. 17. It's a pretty good call on that support level there, MOTW. I went long. Oh, I didn't realize I had my thing on all this time. Wow. Sorry about that. Rising up here. Let's put our target on 50. Now we'll put it on 48. That's close enough. Oh, and target hit. Boom. Let's see what that trade was. Oh, that was a $1,980 trade there. 5 contracts in at 29 out of 48. There we go. That'll play. Hold on, I got a Discord issue. Tell me if I missed anything. Pulls back. Hits the 20. Can't get through it. Cut through the 9 like butter. I could have held for a much bigger trade there. Rising. So I was right about where it bounced. I got in there. I should have held longer. Yeah, I'm using 5 contracts. I should be like scaling out, but I'm not. I think we're going to see a little bit of a pullback here before it continues higher. It's hitting the 9 on the 5-minute chart. Yep, and of course, I could always be wrong. Still rising back up. 100-point bounce here in about 10 minutes. Heading up toward that 200 EMA. Can it get there? Pretty much regained that entire drop. All right, good luck. There's a short setup there for me if I wanted to take it. And not confident in it, but there it comes. 5 points so far. Not a quick dead drop though. No, back to green. kind of hemming and hawing here. A few minutes to the top of the hour, well, about 12. Definitely lost some oomph here, where oomph was. Pulls back. There's the short. Still in MLTW. Down to the 9. Breaking the 9. Breaking 9s is hard to do. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're going for a big drop. It's going to come all the way back down. Oh, how big was that candle? Holy crap, 23 points. I'm short off that purple, but I'm not confident in it. The stop is way too big. I would never do a stop like that, even with one contract on a normal account. And again, I'm trading the Phidias 10K competition account, so we're playing with it. That purple candle is in my setup. So, it's not like I'm taking trades that aren't in my setup. I'm testing my setups to try and get more confidence in them. Take them on accounts that matter. But again, I would never do a 31 point stop. Good morning, Imad. Or good evening, Imad. Or afternoon, Imad. That's it, afternoon, I think. Whatever time it is. Hello, Imad. Okay, now I'm moving my stop to the top of that last purple candle. Not getting the drop I had hoped. Dang it. Should have taken it off at the 20. Hey, Trey Gage, welcome. How you doing? Yep, that's the name of the game. I like it and I don't like it. Uh, I seem to continue to have to hit refresh, so it's continuing where I want it to be on the chart, but other than that, it's okay. I like the easy way I can slide my stops and targets. But I still prefer trading off a trading view. I mean, not trading off a trading view, but charting off a trading view. Hey Ed, how you doing? It's been a while since I've seen you. Long time. I'm gonna get stopped out on this trade. So that was a dumb trade. I was well in the profit, thought it was gonna continue to drop, and it bounced off the 20. Again, I'm trading the Phidias competition account. I would have probably taken profit on a regular account. Ouch! Yeah, market's being wonky today. Election week. Are you okay, Ed? I just read that there's another one possibly that still could hit Florida in the next few days, depending on how it develops and turns. Were you copy trading those trade gauge, I assume? Yeah, that's my fear of copy trading. Well, my two fears of copy trading are killing all my accounts at once and something going wrong with the copy trader. Yeah, I saw the damage that Trop has. If first you don't succeed, try again. And it'll probably fail again. Thanks for stopping in, Cage. Nice seeing you. Good luck on the trading. uh, Small bit of news coming up at 11 Eastern. U.S. factory orders month over month. Up. Yeah, that's how I was with that one trade. I was up $1,000 and didn't take it. Up to the 200 EMA, bouncing off. Still rising. I see NQ rising. Wow, look at that hourly candle. Look at the wick on that sucker. That's pretty incredible. I see trouble on the way. Give me a minute. I need to check something. I should have taken this long out of this blue area. This was stupid of me not to take this right here. Look at that. Trying to decide where it wants to go. Hanging there. It's kind of sideways here. I'm distracted here a minute, guys. Was the bus on time today, Ace? Struggling right around this 200 EMA and view up. View up. I think you're just asking how things are going, Ace. I mean, Crypt. Sorry. Oh, please hold for the next available operator. Well, this has gotten kind of boring. trying to come down. It's trying. It's broken the 9. I kind of need to see the 20 now broken. I don't know. That's why I got hurt before is to bounce off the 20. Good job, Crypt. Everyone got so quiet. Sitting here at 122. That's cool. Crypt. Never heard of that. That's pretty cool. Purple went away. Purple went away. In fact, it popped up to green. Purple to green. That's pretty mean. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty cool. You doing that next year, Crypt? Got up to the bands, pulled back again. Now another purple trying to form. Back up. Oop, nice pop. Wow. Boom. I think that only happens in video games, Crypticon. A nice rise back up. It's interesting, I think. Let's see here. Let's try 5. I should actually try showing it to you, idiot. Yeah, it's actually, look at this. This wick on the NQ on the hourly chart hit the 5 standard deviation Bollinger Band. That was almost a no-brainer to go long on, and of course, still rising. I see NQ rising. Hey, Freighter, nice to see you. Pulls down to the 9 and bounces. If you haven't gored that like button for me yet, I appreciate if you do it now. Do it now. Now. Hey, market trend. Oh, good to hear you're feeling better. So, if your wife is calling it the man flu, does that mean you had the sniffles? No, kidding. I'm glad you're feeling better. Glad to see you back. Still rising up here. Is it going to reclaim 2,200? I mean, 2,200. The 191. High day is all the way still up at what? 270, 240, no, 248. Like 50 points away. Up there's 200, 204. Slight pullback there, about 10 points. Interesting to see you get that past security. There was the pullback. Back to the 9. Breaking it? Yeah, very good English. Breaking it. Sitting on the 9. Comes down, tries to pop back up, fails. I like this purple. I like to move it. I mean, I like this purple. 30 seconds on the candle, though, so we'll see how it finishes. It needs to finish below the 9 for me to like it. That's below the 9. It's got 5 seconds. It's only 5 points away from the 20, though. I'm short. Stops above that purple candle. I'm going to put a target down, all the way down at the 200 EMA, but it looks like this is popping right back up off that 20, which is what I feared. Yeah, I'm dead in the water. Not out yet, but it's back above the 9. I should just get out, but if this was a regular account, an eval or funded account, I would just get out. But I'll let it stop me out now. I like the setup there. The up down tried to come up again and down. I thought we were gonna maybe flush. It didn't flush. It hit that 20 and bounced again. Wasn't ready. I'm still rising up, trying to get back up to 20,200. I have a little less than 30 minutes to go in the stream. Should be an exciting day tomorrow. Oh, here's another purple candle. It's going to try to entice me back into this trade. With the elections, I'm not sure. Honestly, I shouldn't say exciting tomorrow. Tomorrow morning might be absolutely horrible. It might be complete chop. Because none of the action will really happen until tomorrow night. Do we have FOMC on Wednesday? What am I thinking? Is that this week or next week? I got to check the calendar here after I enter this trade. This trade bounces on me again. I just give up. Again, we'll put the target down at the 100 EMA, 200 EMA. Once I'm out of this trade, I'll check on if FOMC is this week. So I fell for it twice. Looks like both times it's going to nail me. Just felt like I wanted to drop there, but So I need to learn purple candles. I should only take if they're coming out of the bands for reversals. That's I think the lesson to be learned. See if I can break back through the 9. 20 EMA sitting about 1 point below my entry. Finished below the 9. I'll put my stop there on that last candle. It's come back down to my entry, touch my entry. My entry's just about the 20 EMA now. Now it bounced again. Still a really huge stop. It's not ideal. Yeah, it's gonna knock me out, and we're out. Bad trading day. Boom, 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 boom. FOMC must be next week. It's not this week. It's not on the calendar. Market might be crazy, or the market might be just choppy. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. I wasn't yet a trader really for the last election, so I have nothing to compare it to. Thank you, Crypt. Popping up. Purple candle. Do I try again? If at first you don't succeed, try the third time. Right? That's the quote. Probably gonna go back to trading my regular MyFundedFutures eval tomorrow. We'll see. Pops back up. So does not want to come down. He wants to try again, but You can see it struggled here. It can't get above this right below 200. It's tried 4 times, but down it comes. That was the purple candle that worked. So how's everyone finishing up? Red, green, somewhere between. I know, or I shouldn't say finishing up, but where are you at right now? Ooh, wow. Down then back up. Complete choppy. Choppy with big candles. Now rising up, breaks 200 again. Just hanging around 200. I don't know. I don't think there's going to be any other trades here today for me. Got to be bad if you want to do yard work instead. Da. I gotta decide how early is too early to start decorating the stream for Christmas. Guessing the week of Thanksgiving. Purple candle there worked again. Of course it did. It'll bounce. So even when it shoots down, it doesn't go down far. We reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. It was a horrible trading day for me, but that's okay. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for some hot election day trading action. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.